Hey everyone, if you're wanting to join Liberty Aid Academy's YouTube mentorship program and don't know how, we're here to help. So first of all, you're going to want to head on over to Liberty Aid Academy's YouTube channel. The next thing you're going to want to do is hit this join button. See here, you're going to have a few options, but what you want here is the $49.99 a month Mentors program. And by the way, that is an introductory price, so get in while you can. Then you're going to want to hit this join button. And it's going to ask you for your credit card information or debit card information, and then you're all set to go. So once you become a member, you're going to want to come back over to Liberty Aid Academy's YouTube channel and click on the membership button here. And to give you an idea of what you're going to be getting, you can see here, John will be uploading at least one video every Monday. And then on the last Monday of every month, he will be doing a live at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to go over the videos that he uploaded for the month and for you to ask any questions. So if you're wanting to extend or further your education with Liberty Aid Academy, I recommend the YouTube Mentorship Program. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.